Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my third updated video about ThinkorSwim. Today is August 19th, 2020. As you can see, I actually traded, and for me at least, in the morning time, everything was fine. Some people reported that on Reddit, there's charts in the morning were messing up. It wasn't loading properly, but as for me, everything seems to be fine. So let's just jump into the video. Let me just show you my trades and all that. Alright, so as you can see here in the morning, and this is the ticker symbol Amazon, by the way, AMZN, that's what I usually trade. You can clearly see my profits on the day is $113.40. In the morning time, we had this sell-off that usually happens, but usually if you pay attention to the futures, if you weren't paying attention in the last 2 days, we had all-time high. We hit all-time highs, so it was expected that today was going to be a red day. If you didn't expect it to be a red day, then I would definitely tell you to please follow the futures closely, so this will give you a better understanding as to how to trade and what to expect. So you can clearly see that we had this huge sell-off in the morning here, and then we reversed. We had this nice reversal here. I was able to capitalize off of that. 20 shares go in here, get out, and then get in, get out. My style of trading, again, it's scalp trading, and that's what I usually do. I try to, maintain at least $100 on the day. It's pretty much, like I said before, it's just to get your process down first, and then make sure you can actually execute them all the time. So it's all about the process, not the profits. So as you can see here, I did the same thing. We had this huge sell-off, waited for a reversal. This trade here, I actually got in a little bit too early. I can definitely admit that, because as you can see, it's below the EMA line. Right here, you can clearly see that it's above the EMA line. And I try to trade above the EMA line. This way, you know the trend is in your favor. So always remember that. So we had this huge rally up, and again, I just wanted to be very picky with my trades today. I didn't want to keep going in and out. For today, I just try to make my profits, and then I kept it moving on. So yeah, how did it go for you guys today? Was the charts actually keep loading over and over for you guys, or were you able to trade like I did? Let me know in the comment section down below. If we could take a look here at /NQ, like I mentioned before, we can clearly see that the futures actually made all-time highs, and if today was a green day, that would have definitely meant that we would have broke this resistance from yesterday, and then we would have continued rallying on. Instead, we see this huge sell-off, which was definitely expected, and you can see that we're clearly going down, and we're just pretty much making a correction at this time. So if you take a look here at the 180 day, we can see that we had this pullback. That doesn't mean we're gonna go bearish, but we're actually waiting for it to reverse, and if that happens, we can definitely see how it plays out for the upcoming weeks. If this breaks this EMA line, this support line right here, then we'll be definitely bearish. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how did it go for you guys today? I just wanted to give this third updated video about ThinkorSwim. Mine seemed to be working fine for me today. Like, again, I try to minimize my trades like I usually do. As you can see here, profit on the day, $113.40. Yeah, and that's pretty much my video for today, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. Hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. Peace.